Good morning, children. Welcome to Chapter 2 Human Migration, Part 3. In previous videos, we learned about migration types of migration are. In this video, we are going to learn about hardships faced by migrants, joy of migration, animal migration. First of all, hardships faced by migrants. Hardships means difficulties faced by migrants. Migrants means the people who migrate from their places to other areas. Those are called as migrants. What difficulties, what hardships they face, we are going to learn. The migrant face many problems and they move away from their homes and families to other areas. The laborers move to cities for jobs and better wages. This migration does not provide basic amenities like shelter, safe drinking water, etc. The condition is worse when they migrate with families. The women must do hard work. Children do not get education. Some migrants do not get work and hence start begging. It means the people who migrate from their places to other areas, those are called as migrants. Those people face many problems. That means why they will migrate to other areas? To get good jobs, better wages. Wages means salaries, money. For what work they are doing, for that some pay they will get, that is called as salary or wages. If they go to other areas, if they get good wages or salaries, that's why they move to cities. This migration does not provide basic amenities. Basic amenities means people are living, they should get some amenities. What are those? Shelter, safe drinking water, all. But these people, they are going to other areas, there they won't get any basic amenities. There they will live in slum areas. Slum areas means the poor people live in those areas. They won't have any pakka house, and with the waste material, plastic, tin, and some iron rods like that they will use, and they will make temporary tents. In that they will live. In that areas they won't get any sanitation, safe drinking water, power, all. That's why they face many problems there. The condition is worse when they migrate with families. Single person means okay, with families means wife and children, all. They face many problems there. The women must do hard work. Children do not get education also in those areas. That's why some migrants do not get work and hence start begging. If they won't get any job, then how they can live? That's why they depend on begging, and they beg and they live. See here, a migrant sleeping without shelter. He won't have any shelter. That's why, see how he is sleeping. Like this, if you go to any railway station, bus complex, all, there are also some people like this. They will sleep there only, and footpaths and the roads, if you see, means on the footpaths only some poor people live. Those are all migrants. They won't have any shelter. There only they live. See here, this is the slum area. That some slum area, see, they won't get any pakka houses. These are all waste materials only. They used to make their small temporary houses there. See, iron sheets. See, and here see some what are those rice bag covers, plastic, all they will use, and they will make like these temporary houses, and in that only they will live. See, there only one drainage is there, no sanitation and no neatness only. This area is called as slum area. Poor people, the migrants mainly, they live in cities in these slum areas. Because of that they will get so many diseases also, because no sanitation is there, no neatness is there. Because of that they fall ill every time. See now, joy of migration, not only the hardships, here some joy also there. Migration is like a chain. If the first migrant sends information as happily settled to their loved ones, then the other persons also migrate to same country. For example, any one of your family, friends or relatives, they migrate to any other country, there they are living happy, means they will send that information only. What, okay, we are happily, we are living here, then this country also very nice, you also can come, like that message they will, information they will send it to their relatives or friends. Then these people also, they also migrate to the same country and they live happily there. Migration brings happiness to many people. How they see new places, experience different climate, learn new customs, traditions, dresses, dance, music, etc. Sometimes migration brings happiness also. Why? Because if they go to any other country or other state, there they can experience different climate, learn new customs, traditions, dresses, dance, music, etc. And they can get some joy also there. Now, not only for human beings, for animals also migration, animal migration. Animals migrate with change in seasons. That means if any time the season change, they will go to safe place. They migrate to find warmer weather, better food supply, safe place to give birth to younger ones. Like that, they will search and they will go to those places seasonally. That means seasons means, see, in North Pole and South Pole, near those areas very cool temperatures. In that winter season, all if they get very cool, then they will find to get warmer weather and they will migrate to that place only. Like that, better food supply. Some seasons, some areas they won't get food, then that food, birds and some animals, they will migrate. Safe place to give birth to younger ones. Like that, they will migrate. Animals also. Animals do not follow a map or GPS. For us, we are using a map, otherwise GPS. What is the full form of GPS? Global Positioning System. That means in our every mobile, smartphone, we have this option. With the help of this one, we can reach any place, any destination easily. And we have human beings, we are using these all gadgets, but animals and birds, they won't use those, but they can go to that particular warm weather, otherwise better food supply, where they want to go, that place they will go every year to that place only. And after the season change, again they will reach to that particular own place without using a map or GPS. See what is a wonder there. And they learn the direction to follow from their parents and have a special sense. These animals and the birds, they will learn from their parents, and they have a special sense also to recognize that direction all. See, caribou live in snow-covered areas. Caribou, one animal, it live in snow-covered areas. They migrate to warmer areas in winter season. Very cool, that means minus degrees temperature, then they will migrate to somewhat warmer areas. Wild beasts of Africa migrate in search of green pastures, crossing many crocodile filled rivers. That means pastures means grasslands. See, these Africa, in that Africa, wild beasts, they migrate in search of green pastures. Why? Because they want to graze there. That's why they migrate to these green pastures, crossing many crocodile filled rivers. That means in those rivers, so many crocodiles will be there. They cross those rivers and they will migrate to the green pastures to graze there. And this great migration is known as one of the seven wonders of natural world. That means, see, seven wonders are there, no? Animal migration is one of the seven wonders. Why? Because those animals, they are not using any GPS, otherwise map, but they are searching the green pastures and they are going there. And again, after the season change, they come back to their own place. That is wonder, no? That's why one of the seven wonders of the natural world. What is that? The animal migration. See, here these are bees, these animals, how they are going, they are migrating to other areas in search of green pastures. These birds also, they are migrating to others, where they will get food, otherwise where they will get warmth, there they are going. Where they want to give birth to younger ones, these birds, they are migrating. Again, after the season change, again they will come back to their own place. See, children, I think all of you understand. Now a small assignment for you. First one, migration is like a dash. Animals migrate with dash in seasons. Caribou live in dash covered areas. Wild beasts of Africa migrate in search of green dash. Animal migration is known as one of the dash of the natural world. Thank you, children.